Welcome in, cruise fans. We got another good one for you to end of year 2025 in Port Canaveral cruise ship spotting. Some of our favorite moments, best moments, and wildest moments. We had an amazing year. Thank you all so much for all the love and support. We even won $500 on a scratch off and booked MSC Seashore for November 2026. We even flew in helicopters, met the Ryobi man. So many cruise ship sailaways. It's been an amazing year in Port Canaveral. Thank you for the support and love. In this video, we're going to go over some of our favorite moments. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, cruise fam. And we look forward to another amazing year in Port Canaveral. 2026 is sure to bring us some amazing memories. Thanks for watching. Let's go. Woo! Alright, we're going. I'm gonna leave you up. You guys are running. I'm going in. Oh, that's the guy. I gotta show y'all. This is who does that. He's got like a thing. I'm sorry, everyone. Look at the thing. Look at this guy. Now we know. Alright, sorry, cruise fan. You know, I never saw anyone go in this water before until like a month ago. They go swimming in there? Some people did. I saw people in there. But I think the sign's brand new right here, but the sign says no swimming now. I don't think it was ever here before. Well, there's a terrible current. It'll just take you away. Oh, yeah. Over in the UK, we had Disney Magic last year and Disney Fantasy this year. They only let us have 1 year. Oh, man. Snickerdoodles, Mom. Always good to see you. Welcome in. There's a reason. They were all partying. They were having a birthday party over there. Ship to shore, I hear you, but I mind my business. People can do whatever they want. I know, Chloe, me neither. Oh, Nutter Butter, I've seen snakes in the rocks, everything.
Uh-oh. Oh. Is she gonna try to walk on those rocks? I surely hope not. Oh my goodness.
It's too windy for this.
Oh,
She's
no.
like, hold my beer.
She does have a beer. Why would they do that?
I don't know, but they're right in the camera angle.
Oh my gosh.
If I turn quickly, y'all know what happens.
This might not be pretty. What are they doing?
I'm not going to show it.
Why are they doing that?
If something happens, baby, I'm turning.
Oh my gosh. Are they crazy? Baby. Oh, I can't look. I can't look. I can't look. That's the kind of stuff that scares me.
IRL, we don't know. But at least y'all can see how windy it is. Sorry, I'm zooming in on you people. I know IRL. Oh, look, that lady's so sweet. Look at people they see. That's why I love cruise fans. She just asked if they wanted a chair. We might have one too in there. No, not in my car. All right, hey. Lady, let her sit down or something. Come on now, you're distracted.
She's too old. Oh my gosh.
Look, she's worried too. All right, here we go. She made it, everyone. Don't doubt her. Don't doubt her. If we get 300, I'll do a cartwheel on stream before we get off. If we hit 300, you get to see a cartwheel from me before we go.
No, you're not. You're going to do a cartwheel?
You're welcome. So much, LT1. Thank you for. I can do a cartwheel.
Chase.
Maybe I can do a cartwheel.
Make a fool of yourself.
Deanne, good to see you. Thank you for coming in.
Thanks, Tiffany.
Tiffany, thank you. 3 strands. No, did we get it IRL? All right. Look, y'all think I'm playing. Turn it this way, baby. I'm gonna hit the cartwheel.
Wait a minute. Let's verify here.
We're gonna hit a cartwheel, and then we'll see y'all.
You're gonna blend in just fine with the people down there on the rocks.
Well, I'm gonna put it this way, so
330. Woo woo.
So when the wind's blowing, it's not blowing at my belly.
Well, you know it's gonna blow at your belly.
No, it's gonna blow at my back this way.
All right, here you go.
I'm an old man hitting the cartwheel.
Now, which way are you going?
I'm cartwheeling.
You're gonna go uphill.
Cartwheeling to my left, baby. Can you see me?
We can see ya.
Thank you all so much. We really appreciate it. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, he's crazy as heck.
That's a cartwheel if I've ever seen one, baby.
You just got a toot from the
Here we
golf
go.
cart.
All right, we love you guys. Have an amazing night. That's so cool looking. I love it. Look at the celebrity apex you're seeing. First time ever for this ship leave Port Canaveral. How lucky are we? Let's zoom in on the magic carpet up here. See the people on it? That thing goes up and down the ship. That's what the orange is.
Excuse
Ruru,
me?
I know. I gotta start listening because I clearly ain't got a memory to be arguing with nobody.
All right, winning numbers here. 8.
Ooh, 8's my number.
33.
Crow Mike, good to see you again.
My number. Look, our numbers are right next to each other. 8 and 33.
Oh, baby, it's meant to be. Cruise fam, we're about to buy y'all a cruise right here.
11.
Come on, 8.
$50.
50 for number 8.
No way. No freaking way. Go show it, honey.
All right, the first one she scratched.
$50 on the first one.
And we got a bunch of numbers.
Yeah, we won a bunch. Oh my gosh. 50.
450.
23.
Baby, maybe we shouldn't say
50.
this. Someone's going to come get us.
No way. All right, I think we just won $500, y'all.
Yeah, this is actually
1,
JC
2,
scratch off
3,
ticket, everyone.
4, 5.
Let me
Yes.
tell you the make and model of this car.
$500.
500, baby, and you haven't even done the bonus. Let's go.
All right, let's do the bonus.
There's some bonuses too.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is crazy.
We need this. We're buying the cars left and right at our house.
Let's see about the bonus. I gotta text the kids.
Don't text the kids. Chase will quit work right now. May look into coming Port Canaveral MLK weekend and back again
That's
February. Ship to
awesome.
shore. IRL, let's go IRL. Thank you, Rich. Crow My, let's go. Kelly Welly, that's a cruise deposit.
For sure, let's go.
Maybe. Yeah, Chaturama, my brother's in the house, sister-in-law's in the house. It's slowing down a little bit now, actually. Woo! All right, we're going. I'm gonna leave you up. You guys are running. I'm going in. If I die, JC dies with me. That was a close one, man.
I'm just saying. I think I gotta take my aluminum umbrella down.
I know.
It's like a lightning rod.
I felt that one. Uh-oh. Get my umbrella up, everyone. Hold on.
Why? You think is it starting to rain?
Yeah. But all I gotta do is hold it behind us, and we're good. I don't know, but this umbrella is not the best one. It's always so hard to close it for some
that
reason.
thing's 20 plus years old.
Oh my gosh, baby, it's time to upgrade this thing.
No, it's a good umbrella and it's lasted me that long.
It's got a crooked arm right here.
Well, we can fix it. It's still a nice umbrella.
Heather Lee, my goodness,
Oh
came
my
in a
gosh.
$10 new umbrella fund donation.
Oh, thank you.
Heather
Really,
Lee.
we don't need it though. We're
No.
keeping that umbrella.
Well, I'll get a new one. I'm gonna get one of those. There's gotta be some new high-tech
Oh,
ones.
I'm sure there is.
Oh, Jessica's talking. Good, good. Oh man, my back's wet now. Oh my God, there is people out in the boat. I just saw that.
Wow.
Oh no, that is not safe. And the cruise ship's not gonna be able to see them. They better paddle. Oh my God, I did not see that.
And they're trying to do it against the current.
Deanne, good to see you, Deanne. We will be. Sorry if you're getting glitched. It could be the weather. You might have to go out and back in. You can't see nothing today, but here we go. When it gets close to us, we'll be able to see it. She'll be breaking through that part of it here any minute. I know IRL's coming. Oh man, the weather is rocking. Oh, my back's soaked now. That's right, Chad. Please smash that like button. We got almost 600 people in here today. Star's coming, I promise. It's there. You just can't see her.
She
which is nuts.
close.
She probably can't see anything.
But it's just so much rain, you can't see anything. She's right
Coop,
past the
I'm
pilot
telling you,
boat
it's
right
nuts out here. Coop's on Star right now.
there. Right, Uncle Kim, he's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be real hard to adjust my
He's
zoom
gonna get a
though.
hot shower when he goes home.
You good, baby?
I'm good.
All right, toes ain't getting wet in there?
Yeah, they are, but I'm good.
Whoa, hold on everyone, here we go for a ride.
Here's seashore all the way down there.
Hopefully. You might have to just have a little umbrella in it, cruise fam. This is where it gets tricky. Oh, this thing's smacking me in my head. I love the dedication, thank you. I'm sorry everyone, I cannot show it after that because I cannot go straight into the ring. Hold up. Mindy with a $5 donation. The donation train's alive. I'm sorry, that's as far as I can take it today. I love you guys. Deanne, everyone, I can't say all the names, but thank you.
Thank you guys so much.
The craziest donation train that we've ever had. I cannot thank you enough. I'm sorry if me and Jessica are talking over each other. It's just hard. It is what it is. $20 donation. What in the world, Jonathan? Thank you so much. My gosh. Yeah, I know, crazy homebody girls. That's the problem. We keep adding all these to our list. Here we go. cameras. Here we go. Let's see if they'll return it. No one knows about names. All right, no, that's something I can look up. I was just curious. All right, here we go. But the ship name is on the bow. It's like a Disney ship with only one funnel. Yeah, we have Aldi's. We love us some Aldi's.
The sun's dropping fast.
It is. I know everything's moving fast. I don't know what's happening. All right, let me try to loosen this up a little bit. When I turn, y'all are getting some weird movements. I haven't seen the pilot. Oh yeah, there she is. See, I told y'all when I'm not. Sorry, let me get focused here. Sorry, everybody. Here we go. Welcome in Disney Destiny. The wait was worth it. They were slow playing the horns out a little bit, huh? We saw the Aqua when it left out of here. They had one. So cool. Zoom in a little more. Look at that. She just looks like majestic right there. Look.
I know. I love the tops. Is that the solarium?
Awesome. Oh, I'd have loved to do that. You're so welcome. Thanks for coming in. I'm going to try not to get in anyone's way, but I want to get this cool shot right here. Sorry.